Hello. Um, my throat hasn't been feeling all that well, which is why I haven't made the next Dark Souls
Stand by
video.
while I analyze the intelligence profiles
Please
of the
shut
maniac.
up.
Error, not a number.
Um,
Did the operator enjoy this witticism?
I have looked onto the forums and I've read some interesting forum posts, something about the Lisette, and we're going to go investigate that. There's broken pipes there. That one. I think that's the one. I don't hear anything. Let's go to the other one. Um, what the fuck? Let's listen to some happy music. Alright, I'm going to mute this microphone and turn up the game audio. And I'm gonna let you guys hear this. So yeah, there's something behind that door. And it's really creeping me out now. I'm getting shivers. I'm not good with horror games. Piss off. I know I played System Shock 2, but that's an old game. Future update. Well, I'm gonna be using the menu from now on and avoid that specific room. Also, please stop doing that sound. I wish we could turn that off. I like the stance and all, but I do not like the sound. So, something weird is behind that door. Even now in post-editing, I'm getting the shivers. I have no idea what the hell that is. But according to many on the forums, that could be what is inside the frames, I guess? I'm not entirely sure. I think it's going to be part of a future update where we're going to discover, oh wait, we have some infestation in the ship and our operator is in danger. So I believe that is going to be the plot of that. I can only speculate from here.